So good afternoon to all. Hope you are doing great. So today in this video, we'll be discussing about MTNL share. So we know that since past few days, we have seen some continuous fall in this particular stock and many people are invested at high levels and they're facing the loss. So we'll try to find out what will be the next strategy regarding this particular stock, whether to hold or whether to sell. So what can be done. So we'll try to find out and then we'll switch over to the technical charts to find out the next possible levels. So make sure you watch the video till the end. And if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get instantly notified. Okay, so before starting with the volume analysis of MTNL, I want to tell you that all the stocks that I am discussing are requested in Instagram. So if you're having any doubt, you can message me there that you want a separate video analysis on this particular stock and you're facing some loss which might be reduced when we discuss the level. So make sure you clarify all your doubts so that you'll make some good, decent profit. So don't feel shy to discuss anything. Make sure be open when you clarify doubts. That time only the confidence of holding the particular stock will increase. So starting with MTNL, so first if you see the volume analysis, you can see on 19th March 2021, you can see how the traded quantity was present. So on that particular day, we know that market was also little volatile. So many stocks, they went down again while closing. Some buying was seen and they closed at little good levels. So when MTNL also the same thing, it has gone down and again it has retraced from that particular levels. So discussing about it, we know that various government speculations are running in this particular stock. So that way it has given huge rally. Again, the same profit booking was seen in this particular stock. So this is not only the stock, there are many stocks which have given that particular rally and again they start correcting from high levels and many people buy at high levels and they enter into loss. So don't try to invest in heavy quantities. So first thing, when you're entering into a highly volatile stock, especially a news based stock, then you need to minimize your risk and profit may be minimum or negligible, but don't try to enter into heavy loss. That is what I can tell, because a stock which doesn't have a steady growth will continuously fall in the same way. So invest in stocks which has steady growth, like it goes up, little consolidation, again tries to give the breakout. So try to find out those type of stocks. Okay, so on 19th March also we have seen slightly less deliveries as compared to previous week as well as previous month, because little correction was seen. So when we go to the technical charts, we'll try to find out what are the next supports. For time being, you can see little bit of traded quantity has also reduced. Okay, so when we see in 1 week how much it has corrected, so roughly you can see 1 week you can see minus 23.22. So sharp recovery was seen. So the way it went up, the same way it has come down. So after that, you can also see 1 month return is roughly around 51.03%. So 3 months 41.70, 6 months you can see 100.55% return. 1 year it has given 175.94% return, and 10 years you can see completely negative returns. So regarding various government issues, whether it may be regarding BSNL, MTNL merging, so various topics are running out. So don't try to invest in heavy quantities. Always I tell you, so when you're investing in any penny stock, let's say investing only 2% to 3% of your capital, so just invest that and leave it. So don't try to again average, again doing bulk investment. So like that, if you do, your entire capital will be stuck in this particular stocks, and again recovery may or may not be possible. So that also you need to remember. So we can't guarantee any 100% recovery, especially in these type of stocks, especially penny specifically. So you need to be little cautious and you need to take the trade accordingly. So try to invest in very good stocks as well. So I'm not telling to completely avoid. So when you're investing in any penny stocks, just invest a small portion and just leave it. So they may give returns, but risk is negligible. Try to minimize risk and maximize the profit. So that is best strategy. So now let's go to technical charts. We'll see what are the supports and what are the resistances. Okay, so before going to charts, you can see two indicators. So one is RSI and another one is money flow index. So money flow index, you can see it is in the overbought region. So obviously before it was in highly overbought region, but due to this particular 1 week correction, so slightly that has also come down. And RSI, you can see it is near 55.7. So that is also in mid range. So either it may go up or either it may go down depending upon the levels. Okay, so we're back onto the technical chart. So this is the 1 day chart of MTNL, and you can see it is closed near 18.35 with almost minus 2.9% downtrend. So if you see the resistance from where it has started retracing, so roughly we can take 24. So from there it has started falling. So from there profit booking was seen. So this is 1 day chart. So in 1 day chart you can see continuous downfall was present, but later on Friday, so when the market from negative side, when it has started shifting to positive mood, so this particular stock also at the closing we have seen some buying, so where you can see the wick formation as well. So what is that particular level? So clearly you can see 17.50. okay, so this is the support level, and in coming sessions also this particular level will be very crucial. So people are invested in this, so 17.50, so make sure you watch it. So if it breaks that, don't try to do any sort of investment, so let it settle for a time, because when a stock went continuously up, and in the same way when it is correcting down, so you need to give the same time for that operators to exit, and again when they take any position, so that time you can take any short trade as well. So apart from that, again you can see another line which is 50-day exponential moving average, which is coming out near 15.26. So that also may act as the next immediate support. So what is the first support? 17.50, and second one is 15.26. okay, so these are the two supports. Now coming to resistances, so when again we may see the bullishness, so it should break the 20 rupees level. So first is the 20 rupees level, and after that is 22 rupees level. So these are the two major resistances that we need to watch out in the coming session. So two supports and two resistances. So mark these things and then trade accordingly. And again I'm telling, don't invest in heavy portions, just invest in 2% of your portfolio. That is more than enough. Okay, so further if you're having any doubts, you can message me in comment section or Instagram. So until then, take care. Bye bye.